Hey, this is Andrew Brown. Let's go take a look and figure out what kind of open source stuff we can find out on github.com. And one thing I think that would be really important to check out is the community page. So I think it's just here on the Explorer. So on the left-hand side, we'll go to Explore. We might as well open up the Marketplace as well. I mean, the Marketplace is good also for apps, not just for open source, but there definitely is open source stuff here. So like if I go into here, I'm not sure if they have an open source license, but sometimes you go to plans and they might tell you. So this one says free, not necessarily open source, but there are ones that are open source that we can find, but you do have to do a bit of digging to find them, I suppose. Anyway, if we go to Explore, this is where we get a kind of a community of information. You can see what's trending in terms of repos and developers. We have topics over here where you can drill down into specific things. So if you like AWS, you can see all of these repos here. Okay, so that makes it pretty clear in terms of discoverability. For trending, we could look for trending stuff as well over here. All right, but primarily if you're going to find open source stuff, I guess you'd have to search for it and look based on the license. So we can go here and try to expand our search, but maybe we say license. License, I have a hard time spelling that. And so we can just choose one here, say MIT, and just hit enter, and it'll show us everything that is under MIT license. So that could be one way that you could explore and try to find things. But yeah, hopefully that gives you kind of an idea of, open source. Maybe we should take a look and see what GitHub thinks they want to say about open source. GitHub, open source. They probably have some kind of statement where open source community lives. A PR person definitely wrote this. Open source software is free for you to use and explore. All right? Read our open source guides. And yeah, maybe there's something in here that they would want us to know in the course, but it's just a lot of stuff. You know what I mean? Nobody wants to read through all this, but yeah, I mean, there's stuff in here, so that's cool, I guess. But yeah, that's open source and GitHub, okay?